here are 5 fun things to do when you visit Lisbon. Number 1, eat, drink and enjoy the atmosphere. Walk around the Alex factory or visit the famous Time Out Market. There'll be plenty of food to eat and definitely plenty to drink. Number 2, the Santa Justa lift. At the top of this elevator you can get incredible panoramic views of the whole of Lisbon. It's definitely worth visiting, and when you're at the top, just make sure you spend some time and have a little drink as well. Number 3, walk around the old town. Get lost in the cobbled streets and the beautifully decorated buildings. Number 4, Lisbon Castle or São Jorge Castle. This is a brilliant place just to spend a few hours walking around the historic castle and seeing great views of Lisbon. Located in an extra car park, this is a great bar to end the night with a few drinks. And that was our favourite 5 things to do in Lisbon. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you soon.